And guys, we are back at the track. Here we are at Spring Mountain Raceway, and we've got the giveaway Ford Mustang right here, and we are at the Shelby Bash. Tons of Ford Mustang Shelbys are all over the place. Hopefully it's not too windy right now, but check out this Shelby Mustang right here with this guy. He's got a full built out GT350 right there, and then this guy brought a Camaro to the Mustang track day. Isn't that funny? I mean, it sounds like something that we would do here for sure. I've been coming to events like this for so many years now, and I'm very excited to be giving away that Ford Mustang. So if you guys have not actually signed up yet, go on speedphenom.com and you can be entered to win this Ford Mustang right here. Anything you pick up gives you automatic entry. So anything from merchandise to track day tickets and more gets you automatically entered into the giveaway. Hurry up because it ends soon. Check out this Shelby GTH right here. I mean, when you look at all the different Shelby variants over the years, there's so many, right? I feel like as the Mustang seems to have gotten bigger or smaller over the years, I'm definitely not seeing as many people. But wow, GT500 looking great right here. GT350R, super snakes all around. This reminds me to our old GT350 track videos where we were battling like 4 GTs on this track. Yeah, let me show you a quick clip from that video.
When the cool. DRS activates.
That is cool, man. Yeah, thanks for showing me this. Here we have the GT350, and we first saw this car at Barrett-Jackson, which it's nice to see again. And then we have a Super Snake. The years have flown by. I remember when I had my GT500 Super Snake, and that car was incredible. It had 1,000 horsepower, but you know what? Before these cars stop running on track, let's quickly head on the balcony and get some cool shots. I miss the Mustang days, but I'm so excited because we have a Mustang again right now, and then we have the Mustang GTD coming, which, what is that car going to be like on the track? I know that with the GT350, it was so fun, so lively and lightweight. The GT500 added quite a lot of pounds to that, hundreds of pounds. But when I looked at the experience back to back, the 500 was just way crazier with the horsepower. It just accelerated so hard, and the dual clutch gave it that exotic feeling. With the GTD, will it feel as light and lively as a GT350R? It might not, because from the last that I read, it weighs more than the GT500 carbon fiber track pack I used to own. At the same time, it's got such a wider contact patch, such a wide footprint, that it could hide the weight very well. And we have made it. Is it Charleston Peak? Or, no, it's North. The North track straightaway with the Corvette logo right there. And then we have all the Ron Fellow Corvettes right here, such as the Corvette Z06s, the Stingrays, and more, where people can come out here, learn and experience what it's like to drive a Corvette on the track. If you have not seen our videos of us testing out Corvettes out here, make sure to check them out. There's so many. Look how many are down there. There's so many of these cars out here. It's hilarious. Then we have the Hillbank Cobras. Flyby. All right, here we go. We're leaving the track day right now. They've completely closed up the North track, and it's nice seeing some behind the scenes. I've been hearing some numbers about how much money it costs to get a membership out here. It's quite a lot. It gets me wondering what the future for Willow Springs is going to be like, because as you guys know, Willow Springs has been bought out. There's new ownership. We're going to be officially hosting one of the final track days at Willow Springs before the new ownership does make their adjustments to the track. So, I mean, this is the opportunity, guys. If you guys want to experience Willow Springs Raceway like it has been for decades before everything gets updated by new ownership, you got to sign up now for the Speed Phenom Track Day on June 8th. And if you have an exotic car, join the exotic car run group. Otherwise, You can join your intermediate, beginner, or advanced groups and then be good to go. With new ownerships constantly getting involved with these legendary racetracks, what does the future hold? And is society kind of going away from it? When we look at Laguna Seca Raceway, as you know, that track is quite legendary, but what does it constantly deal with? Well, it constantly deals with people complaining that the track is too loud, and there's constant legal battles all the time happening for that track. So it's like, is that track gonna face an uncertain future? I mean, it gets me worried. This guy's incredible, guys. And by signing up for the track day, you get entered to win automatically thousands of entries for the Mustang GT giveaway. So it's gonna be really cool giving that opportunity to everybody, because nobody has done this before. Nobody has everything all interconnected like this. Plus, if we can help you guys out with getting your windshield protected with film, or getting PPF put on your car, we can definitely hook you guys up. And welcome to the special parking lot for all the Mustangs all around us. We have so many, from GT350s, GT500s, Mustang GTs, and the list just keeps going on and on and on. What do you guys think of the lineup? This car right here, this Twister Orange, I think it's called GT350. This is a very rare color. They did not make many of these, if I remember correctly. It's more of like a flat orange, but then you have that vinyl black stripe going over the top. Then you have a Heritage Edition, I believe. Is it? Yeah, a Heritage Edition GT500. Very iconic car. To our right, we have the newer Super Snake models, as you can see here, with the aggressive hood and the front downforce. I mean, there's so many different models all over the place out here. So I want to get your guys' thoughts. What do you think is the best Shelby version over the years? There's so many, but the GT350, this car right here is something that I love this car so much. Even the GT500 King of the Road, this thing is a total classic, isn't it? The owner even has a paint-matched stripe. Look at that, right there. A paint-matched stripe, can you believe that? That looks so cool on the roll bar versus the outside. This reminds me of my GT350 with the white and blue stripes, and then if we keep going all the way down to the end, you have a GT Hertz. You don't see many of this stuff anymore, but if all these cars go electric in the future, what do you think the future is going to be like? Will the Mustang scene be as exciting as this, right? I don't think it will be. When I owned my GT500, one thing I remember with it is that the hood was so heavy. It was just so heavy. The Mach 1 was one Mustang that I don't know if I fully got on board with. I loved the GT350, and I know many people who bought the Mach 1, but to me, I'm like, the GT350 was iconic. This is like the GT350, but it didn't have the flat plane crank motor, yet it was still a handling focused Ford Mustang. That's a throwback. Keep going with Track Pack GT500 right here. This throws me back to when we bought our GT500 carbon fiber track pack. We had the full carbon fiber wheels. This Honda fits in beautifully. It says police on it. What? PD. That's funny. Check it out, guys. A Mustang Super Snake. A GT500 Super Snake. I had one of these. And it looked very similar, had different wheels, had the Shelby Venice wheels, but it was black on black, and it had the same A-pillar gauges. If I walk on the side, you'll see the same seats, had the A-pillar gauges right there. Wow, what a throwback, guys. What a throwback over the years. I miss it so much. This owner has a custom car cover that says number 68, 2013 GT350. The GT500 Heritage Edition is finished in this special steel color with those Wimbledon white stripes. I think it's Brittany blue. That's right, Brittany blue with painted stripes that say GT500 right there. So this is a very rare car. Finally, we have the Shelby Speedster. This is an interesting one. Basically, it's a convertible Super Snake, and they put a hatch on top. So you get the wide body kit if you pay for it, and then you get to pay for this hatch that goes right here behind where you sit, kind of giving you that Speedster look. I'm wondering what it's like for putting up the top. I'm guessing these two panels open up right there. Then you can put the top lid over it. But let me know if you have any clue on how this thing works. 'Cause I'm looking at the design, it's like, how would you get that top to go from out back over the top? It's gotta be through these panels. I'm guessing that probably releases these and you can put the top over it. And then we have this person completely crashing the party with the C8 Corvette. I love that. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to like button, it really helps me out, and subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. While you do that, hit the notification bell. Let's stay up to date with all the new videos the second I post them. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.